Field and herbarium technique. It is how field and herbarium technique is performed and what are its importance. First of all, what is herbarium? How it is helpful in the gathering practical knowledge about the plants. Actually, a herbarium is a collection of dried plant species mounted on sheets of paper. The plants are usually collected, identified, pressed, and then carefully mounted to archival paper in such a way that all major morphological characteristics are clear. The mounted plants are labeled with their scientific names, common names, and the names of the collector, and also mention the locality from which it is collected. Man has been dependent on plant for his basic need from the very beginning of the evolution of human being for their need like food, cloth, shelter and medicine since human civilization. The knowledge and lifelong experience about the utilization of plant need to transfer generation to generation lead to develop methods of preservation of plants and plant material. There must have been requirement of long-term preservation of plant collections. The word herbarium was originally coined to a book about dried medicinal plants. Herba is the Latin referred to slender, weak-statement plants. A collection of herbs came to known as herbarium. Tarnford used the term herbarium for collection of dried plants. The method, which earlier known as Hartas Sarsus. It is interesting to note that many of the early herbarium made their beginning with botanical garden. In the beginning, the plant specimens were mounted on sheets of paper which bound into book-like volumes. Linnaeus started arranging herbarium sheets separately according to groups. Earlier, the size of the sheets was according to the size of the plants. The present concept of herbarium collection is a net result of the effort of the botanists all over the world. Actually, herbaria contains all plant categories. According to Jain and Rao in 1977, herbarium is a storehouse of plant specimens collected from far and wide, mounted on appropriate sheets, arranged according to some known system of classification and kept in pigeonholes of steel or wooden boards. A modern herbarium may be defined as a great filling system for information about plants, primarily in the form of actual specimens and secondary in the form of recorded notes, published information and pictures.